That thing is solid. This tote is loaded with a lot of electronics and stuff, so it's very heavy, but this rack can hold up to 160 pounds, so it's holding this Blue Yeti like power bank up here, which you guys know those are heavy. Some extra lights that I have hanging up right here. It's got hooks that you can use. Let me show you what I had to do to install this, so let's get into it. So this is a garage storage shelf that I'm going to mount here in my shed. Now this thing can hold up to 160 pounds of total weight on it. And I like the fact that it has these little hooks on the side so you can hook a lot of different stuff too and kind of like put totes or whatever on this thing and have it in place. It came in this little box right here, a little small box, actually has a little set of instructions, some hardware, and they actually supplied the tools that you need to put this thing together. Let me go ahead, take it all out, lay it out, make sure I have everything, then we'll put this thing together and I'll get it installed and let you know how it went. Okay, I just laid it all out here. It's pretty self-explanatory, as you can see. You get a left and a right side, and then you've got a centerpiece, and all you do is snap these things together, and then you're going to use the screws right here and screw it down. Everything's contained in this. I verified it was all there. This goes up against the wall right there. You got a hook under here, and then this, your shelf, is going to go right on top of there, and you're going to run a long bolt through there. So very simple to install. I see no issues with this thing at all. Let me go ahead and put all this together. Then you're going to first mount these to the wall, and then you're going to line it up right here, and you are good to go. So let's do that now. Okay, it looks like you need a number 10 socket for this one. What I'm going to do is just go in right there. That's it. So I'm going to put one right there. Now I'm going to measure out and then find out where the other one goes, and I'll put the other one up. Close enough considering it's just a storage shelf for totes and all that. Put your level up there and check it. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this one down, then I'll put the third one in and we should be good to go. Put a screw down through the top and then a nut on the bottom right there, and they give you the supplied Allen head and wrench to tighten all this down, but I'm using the drill here and I'm just going to hold it on the back, and I'm going to put it on the very easy clutch so I don't end up over tightening or stripping it up. But let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, there it is. I just got it all installed. Check it out. It is dead level. You guys see that? I actually nailed it on there. They added these little extra hooks right here for if you want to go there. But me personally, I don't think I'm going to use these. But I check it out. You can actually go right in there like that. So there's a use for those hooks too. So the reason I need it for is because I had stuff like this. Now this can hold up to 160 pounds of weight if you're using these lag bolts right here, which is very impressive on a shelf like this. Got all of this storage up here that I can just throw stuff, and I've got a lot of I can put extra tools. I can hang some cords from here, whatever, because I don't use this door a lot. I use this door mostly. So this is a perfect addition to any shed or any type of garage or anything like that. Or if you're, I think you could put it in the house and use it as like a dish rack or something like that if you want to. But I think more than anything, it's a storage rack for here in the shed. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know what's a garage storage rack. See y'all in the next video.